Hey mate.
There you go.
Good. A Mazda 929 wagon. This has got an AC Shelby Cobra here. That looks awesome, that does. Beautiful. SLR 5K. XU1 Tirana. 57 Chevy 4-door. Big Cadillac. Chevy. C10 pickup. LJ Tirana. HR Holden. Pretty cool.
You know that's only a 60k.
We've got a VK Commodore as well. Looks nice. We've got a VK Commodore. HQ. That's nice. That is funny. Big pussy. I like that. Here we got another panel van here. So this is a, I think it's HX, HJ panel van. Have a look at this. Absolutely amazing. Oh, we got the Jack and Coke there. Love me some Jack Daniels and Coca-Cola, that's for sure. And I love the mural on the side too. Look, everything about this panel van is pretty cool. Have a look at that. That is nice. Also got a HQ panel van with a GTS Monaro front as well, which is awesome. Got the 253 or 308 underneath. Come around the back, what have we got? Just basic bed sheets, and it says Holden on the pillows, which is awesome. Also got the Torque Thrust 2 wheels as well. Those look awesome. Also got a very nice HG panel van here too. Got nice wheels, nice interior. It's got the B&M shifter up front. Very basic at the back too. Have a look at this thing. This is pretty good. Dealer, which is awesome. Also, death dealer. This is amazing. This is. Look at this. So it's got the front end of a XB Falcon, but this is a HQ panel van. This is. Look at the big glass. That must have cost them a fortune to get that done. Because that's not factory. I know that. It's got fluffy dice in the windshield. The purple fluffy dice. And have a look at that, that's pretty cool, not gonna lie. We also got a Bustin' Lee, whatever this thing is. What was it? A Bustin' Loose, this is Bustin' Loose. This looks absolutely amazing. Have a look at that interior. That looks cool. It's got the Chevy badge there, I don't know why. It's a Holden, not a Chevy. But I do like this panel van. Have a look at this. So we've got the bed. Very nice. Have a look at that. That is cool. Got the small fire extinguisher there. Got the striping on the sides. Same Sandman panel van, and also on the Sandman panel van on the back. Looks absolutely amazing. Looks awesome. We've got another Sandman here. This looks cool. We've got the matching pod filter as well, the TFI pod filter, which looks cool. And it's got the LS1, I think that is. LS1 V8 looks cool. Also got that's a 35 Chevy, that is. A Chevy delivery van, this is. That's cool. Also got Shaken. We also got Shaken here, 1980 Holden panel van. So this is like a WB. I think this is, or HJ. Look at that. Love the panel van. And I love the white interior too, which looks awesome, that does. Let's have a look here. Love the plate as well, Shaken. Looks very basic in the back. It's got the love hearts as well. It's got the medication and also the alcohol there as well, which looks cool. And we also got the pillows in the back. Looks amazing, this thing does. Absolutely amazing. Very cool. Also got a Belmont This is a HG Belmont panel van, this is. That looks cool. Love the HGs. It's got the, is it the 186 202 possibly? Probably a 202. That looks nice. Love that. And we've got this panel van here. This is a HK panel van, this is. Actually, this panel van was originally from Wollongong, this was. So from Dapto, if you ever know that area. This panel van was originally from Wollongong, so this is pretty cool that this panel van is up here in the bay, which is really awesome. Love this panel van. Here we've got a 1984 WB Holden panel van, this is. So that front, I'll tell you this right now, that front is off a Statesman, that is. That front is off a Statesman, and it has been extended actually, which is really, really cool. And this one's got the 304 fuel injected Holden V8, which is basically a 308 but with fuel injection, which is pretty cool. It's got the B&M shifter in there. That looks really nice. And this is the business, the custom chrome plating Gold Coast. Go follow them and give them a call if you want anything custom chrome plated, which look, this thing is absolutely amazing. I love the paintwork as well, which is really, really cool. And we also got Iron Man here. There's an EH panel van. This is. Have a look at this. This thing is absolutely pretty, this is. So we've got Iron Man. And what have we got here? So there's 350, something like that. Looks awesome. Got the B&M shifter in there. We've got Iron Man on the side. Have a look at that. We've got Iron Man inside there. Iron Man on the back. Have a look at this. This is beautiful. It's got a 350 Chev. Absolutely amazing. Here we've got a couple more panel vans. Very nice. Another Holden panel van. Looks awesome. Got another Sandman panel van, looks really good. Very beautiful. We also got Lee Shepherd's and also Liz's beautiful XC panel van here, so thanks for them for coming. Also got a HX panel van, looks really nice. We also got a VY panel van here as well. Heaven Dream it's called. We got Hellraiser here. I love Hellraiser. This WB looks absolutely amazing, this does. Also got another XC panel van here. Also got a EH wagon as well, which is cool. Also got a VZ panel van here. Let's have a look at this. This is a VZ panel van. So this is Sandman. Have a look at this. This is awesome. I like it. I really do. That is nice. This looks like it's properly done too, so factory standard it looks like. It's got the Monaro GTO bonnet on it as well. We've got another Ford panel van. That is cool. Also got an XC panel van again. Look at this, hot rod. Ford hot rod, that looks awesome. Smoky. Look at that, that is awesome. Crime Buster. Very awesome this is. Foreskin. That is nice. Also got another Sandman panel van here. Look at that. Sandman panel van. We also got a Ford Econoline. Don't see them every day. Also got a 59 V dub combi, which is cool. Love the combis. Also got another panel van here, Holden panel van. So got a Sandman panel van, XB GS panel van, another GS panel van, and another GS panel van. Looks awesome. Come around to the back here. Let's have a look, shall we? Let's have a look. Yeah, not bad actually. That looks cool. I like the back of the I like to see what is inside these panel vans, and these ones have some pretty cool stuff in them, not gonna lie. Have a look at that, very old schoolish. So got Sandman there. That is awesome. Corona extra. Hey, can't go wrong with some Corona, that's for sure. Awesome. Sandman, that's cool. Panel van. It's a Mark II Escort panel van. Got the V8 in it. Awesome. We got Chrysler Valiant. That's pretty cool. Hello. Oh, Ian. Good. Chrysler Valiant. That looks cool. Cruising along. I like that. The panel van, cruising along panel van. That looks awesome. That does. I like that. We also got WB. That looks nice. We also got this wagon here as well. That looks awesome. And we also got this 1-tonner with a Trans Am front on it, which is cool. That is wicked. I like that. And so everyone, this concludes Oliver's Cars and Reviews for the 2025 Majestic Vanners Panel Van Show here in Hervey Bay. Absolutely amazing. There's still a lot of cars here and panel vans here now, but the time's come for me to head off and absolutely love this event, that's for sure. And but yeah, leave a comment down in the comment section down below. What panel van was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. But anyways, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell down below as well, and make sure to follow all of my social medias as well: Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Links will be down in the description below. But anyways, this has been Oliver's Cars and Reviews, and we'll see you all in that next video. Cheers everybody. OCAR signing out.